All right, folks, here's another quick video on how to find the intersection between two graphs. So I'm going to take our quadratic that we've been dealing with in the other two videos, and I'm going to see where this quadratic is less than or equal to, let's say, the line y equals 4. So I'm going to go ahead and graph these like I did before, and we can see we have our parabola is less than the line between what looks like about 2.8, negative 2.8, and somewhere around like 3.7 or 3.9, something like that. So the key is, or the idea here is that we want to find the intersection between these two graphs, pardon me. We want to find the intersection between these two graphs right about there and right about there. So just like with the max, the min, and like finding the x-intercepts, I'm going to go into second and trace. This time I'm going to choose number 5 for intersect. So I'm going to hit 5, and we get slightly different questions here. It's asking me, what is the first curve? Is this my first function? Well, that could be my first, or it could have been my second. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to hit enter. Yes, that's one of the functions I'm using. What's nice then, it's going to skip over to y2, and it's asking me, is this my other function? Well, yes, it is. So I'm going to hit enter again. And now it's going to ask me for the guess. So depending on which intersection you want to find first, you might want to put your guess closer to that one. Right now, if I hit enter, it should give me this intersection over here, because it looks like this intersection is closer to where I am right now than this intersection. So I'm going to hit enter, and let's see what I actually get. I do. Looks like I get about negative 2.7. So I'm going to do this again. I'm going to write down that negative 2.7. And then I'm going to go second, calculate. I'm going to choose number 5 again. And again, first curve, yeah, this is I'm on my parabola, so I'm going to hit enter. Second curve, I'm now on the line. I'm going to hit enter. And it's going to ask for a guess. And again, I already have this intersection here. Well, I need to guess something over around 3 or 4. So I'm going to put in my guess at 4. And it gave me this intersection also at 3.7. So it looks like my parabola here is less than or equal to this line between negative 2.7 and positive 3.7. So I'm going to write this as the interval, excuse me, the closed interval with braces from negative 2.7 to positive 3.7. That's my final solution for where the parabola is less than or equal to that line.